What if your motorhome had the strength of a commercial truck and the comfort of a modern home, all built for people who refuse to stay on paved paths? What if every journey felt powerful, controlled, and ready for anything ahead? That's exactly where the 2026 Ram 5500 motorhome truck steps in. Today on RV TourHub, we're exploring a motorhome designed for serious travelers who want raw capability without giving up everyday comfort. The first look at the 2026 Ram 5500 motorhome truck instantly delivers a sense of toughness. Its wide stance, aggressive front grille, and heavy-duty frame make it clear this machine is built to work and travel hard. Based on the Ram 5500 commercial-grade chassis, this motorhome is engineered to handle massive loads, long distances, and demanding terrain with confidence. Under the hood, a high-torque turbo diesel engine provides strong, reliable power. Acceleration is smooth, towing feels effortless, and climbing steep grades never feel stressful. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the Ram 5500 maintains stability and control, whether you're cruising highways or navigating rough back roads. From the driver's seat, the experience feels commanding yet comfortable. The elevated position gives excellent visibility, while digital displays keep essential information like navigation, fuel usage, and vehicle diagnostics right in view. Air-suspended seats, solid sound insulation, and ergonomic controls reduce fatigue, making long drives more enjoyable. Step inside the living space, and the Ram 5500 motorhome reveals its versatility. The interior is spacious, practical, and designed for real-world use. Large windows bring in natural light, while quality insulation keeps the cabin comfortable in all seasons. Every detail feels built for durability rather than delicate luxury. The lounge area offers comfortable seating for relaxing or working on the road. Storage solutions are smartly integrated, keeping gear secure during travel. The kitchen is fully equipped with a refrigerator, cooktop, oven, and sink, allowing you to prepare proper meals wherever you stop. The sleeping area provides a roomy bed with excellent noise control and climate regulation, ensuring restful nights after long driving days. The bathroom is equally functional, featuring a full shower and efficient water systems designed for extended trips. Off-grid capability is a strong point of the 2026 Ram 5500 motorhome truck. Solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and a dependable generator allow you to stay independent for days without hookups. Climate systems handle both extreme heat and cold with ease. What truly defines this motorhome is its mindset. It's built for travelers who want freedom, reliability, and confidence on every road. The 2026 Ram 5500 motorhome truck isn't just about getting there. It's about being ready for whatever comes next. Here on RV TourHub, we see this as a perfect blend of strength and livability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us where you'd take the Ram 5500 on your next big adventure.